Hey guys, I'm here with you to make sure that you will have a better treat to start the day with this breakfast recipe that is more than just fried eggs or scrambled eggs or any kind of eggs, because this is honestly, obviously, absolutely delicious pesto eggs. Well, I'm not lying to you, this is insanely amazing. Let's dig into the breakfast world. This is the ultimate guide to pesto eggs. There are 1,000 ways to make your pesto, but this time I would keep it more toward the original way. So I'm using basil, pine nuts that I just toasted earlier today. You can substitute pine nuts with others like pistachios, walnuts, and almonds. Parmesan cheese. You can also use Pecorino Romano or any kind of hard, salty, and aged cheese. And garlic. Oh, I crushed it first to release the aroma. Now we have everything in there. Let's push. We have everything chopped, and we are going to slowly pour in the olive oil while the blade is still spinning, and make sure to keep it at lowest power because the heat from the machine will cook the basil and olive oil, which we don't want that. Stop the food processor as soon as the components are blended together. Don't overdo it, otherwise your pesto will get bitter. And here we come, time to season. Then add lemon juice and honey. Yes, you didn't hear wrong, it's honey. I add it because the sweetness will help to reduce the bitterness from using the food processor. In the traditional way, people will use mortar and pestle to make the pesto, but it's more convenient to use a food processor, right? Give it a push, just a couple times. And let's transfer to a clean container. This pesto can last for about a week in the fridge. You can make many pesto eggs as you want. For this recipe, make sure you use a really good non-stick pan. And I swear to you that you will get the perfect pesto egg like me. Also, it's necessary to leave your egg at room temperature before cooking it. If you want to know why, check our ultimate guide video to cooking eggs. Turn on the heat about low to medium low. Once the pan is hot, add about 2 tablespoons of pesto. Spread the pesto out a little bit and make a little hole in the middle. Then crack in the egg. This is another secret I want to share. I'm kind of like using a spatula to break a little bit of the white part because I still want my white part to be cooked, but egg yolk still runny. Next, just cover with the lid. I'm giving this to cook for about 2 minutes, but you can adjust the time according to your preferred doneness. Wow, 2 minutes have passed. We are turning the heat off. Remove it from the stove. Get your plate, place your bread in, then carefully transfer your eggs to the bread and spoon some leftover pesto in the pan to the top of the eggs. Next is my favorite part, red pepper flakes. I know it sounds crazy for breakfast, but for spicy lover like me, I never say no to red pepper flakes. Oh my god, this looks so yummy. Trust me, this is not just a normal pesto egg because this is the ultimate pesto egg. It is easy to cook and very tasty. It's great for the breakfast, and I hope that you make this one for yourself and your loved one. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and leave your comment. Oh, and click that notification bell so that you won't miss any of our new recipes.